Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Book 1, Chapter 14. Let's start. 14th chapter is about As-Salawatul Khams. That means the 5 daily prayers. The 5 daily prayers. The second pillar of Islam is Salah. A Muslim must offer 5 fard prayers in a day. Fard is an Arabic word which means compulsory. The first prayer are compulsory prayers. No Muslim should avoid them or delay them without a valid reason. The 5 daily prayers have the following fard rakahs. Number 1, Fajr. Fajr is the prayer. Dawn prayer has 2 fard rakahs. Number 2, Dhuhr prayer. Afternoon prayer, it has 4 fard rakahs. Number 3 is Asr prayer, mid-afternoon prayer, and it has 4 fard rakahs. Number 4 is Maghrib, sunset prayer, and it has 3 fard rakahs. And number 5 is Isha, it is night prayer, and it has 4 fard rakahs. When the time of any of these prayers starts, you will hear the muadhin in the masjid call out the adhan. A Muslim will then make wudu and get ready for Salah. Facing Qibla, a Muslim makes the intention of the prayer he is going to perform. Either that is Fajr prayer, Dhuhr prayer, Asr, Maghrib or Isha. Then he raises his hands to the level of his ears or his shoulders and says, Allahu Akbar. That means Allah is most great or Allah is the greatest. His prayer has started. His first rakah has started now. What is rakah? A rakah is a set of recitations and movements. What is rakah? A rakah is a set of recitations and movements. A rakah consists of the following things. Number 1, recitation of Suratul Fatiha while standing. Number 2, recitation of another surah in the first 2 rakahs. Number 3, ruku, bowing while holding both the knees, then rising and standing straight from bowing, then sujood. Prostration done twice, putting hands, forehead and nose, knees and toes on the ground. You will learn in detail in the next books how each part of the rakah is done, right? Let's match the prayer to the time when it is prayed. Fajr will match dawn. Maghrib will gonna match sunset. Dhuhr will gonna match afternoon. Isha will gonna match night prayer, and Asr is the prayer of mid-afternoon. May Allah SWT keep all of us regular and punctual in praying 5 times a day on time. Inshallah. Aameen. Allahumma Aameen. Till then, take good care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.